Hi everyone, today I am sharing with you some strength and hope affirmation cards that are now in my shop. There are 48 of them. You will get 6 on one 8.5 page, so a total of 48. So you have 8 pages of affirmation cards, and then you have one extra done for you cards. And all of these have the bonus papers that I'm giving you. These are them right here on the left side. There are not approximately, there are 12 of these. So all you have to do is basically drag and drop into your, let me drag it over like this, and then adjust the affirmation. So here you can't see it, so you go to effects and then change it. Use this background, change the background, change the color. You can use the paint color picker here and then pick a color from the pattern, right? Now that's not nice, you don't want that one. Or you could use it like you maybe let's try to go back and use the blue, and then now you change the font to maybe a white, and that's nice and bold. Okay, and now for this one you can also pick this pastel rose one and change the font. I'm gonna pick Malibu. That is crazy. We should not do Malibu. And if you're gonna do Malibu, because it's all caps, it looks ridiculous, go and put uppercase, lowercase. You gotta select the whole font first before you do that. No? Uh-oh. No, it doesn't do it because I did in caps, that's why. So let's go back. Put it the way it was. Like that, and then we can change it to some other font, like a virtue maybe. Certain fonts are not really good for capital letters, so you might do this, and you might also maybe pick another elements on Canva or your own file somewhere. Maybe pick this torn paper, and put on top like that, and maybe go like this. You could also change, even though this is like a pinkish lavender color, you could change it by going into edit and then filter. So you could change it a little bit. You see how? Change it. Pick the one that you want. Maybe do this one maybe. This one is too bright. Maybe we'll try this one. Okay, and same thing with this. Go down, pick this one. So now you have, and then just move them together, adjust them so that they look nice. Okay, like that. And you could also maybe rotate it a little bit so it doesn't look, I don't know why, but I don't like it when things look so straight. Is that weird? So yeah, have it like that. What else can you do? You can also change the font a little bit, like survive, right? You want to maybe do Malibu for survive, but once you do that, you have to make it in small letters. And then you can make it a little bit bigger. Right? There you go. And you could change other too, but I'm just giving you a quick example. And what else can we do? Let's go back to projects. So let's see, we can also pick, say this. Let's see, seeds, puppy. Wait, which is how I did it over here for you already. So how I did that was I just made this smaller. And then you can move it to the side if you're more into maybe see more of the graphic. And then just a little affirmation on the side. You can put it like, let me just make it bigger. There you go. Right here. Find a place that's you can see everything really nicely. And then you can maybe do a, let's see, I'm trying to figure out what I can put here. Like how I did this is I basically just did the effect, and then I changed this to white, and I changed the transparency a little bit so that you get a little bit of the background and the affirmation like that. Okay, so you can do several things. Like if you want your cards to be more inspiring through the graphics, then you should make your card all graphics, and then the little affirmation on the side or on the top or even here. I can expand this, and once you expand it, it should, you can expand move this up, move this up, and like this. There you go. You can have it like this if you like. Okay. And that's basically it. Just remember to put your shop or your site here, and also change the title and the instruction if you like. I am going to also give you several alternative titles for your affirmation cards, so you're not having the same as everybody else. Okay, so thank you so much and enjoy your day. I'll see you next time.